guys, I am Miss Zhen behind the camera. Today I would like to take you to see the factory named Xiaoya Electronic, whose factory area is in Zhuzhou. The factory specialized in production of the hairdryer and the hot hair brush, which has the history about 4 or 5 years. And let's check things inside.
Did not know we are here, so we had a surprise attack.
I want to preface with introduced by saying this factory boss, and his name is Mr. Yue. I have been cooperating with him for about many years, and now I am talking with him about his business philosophy and his product concept. And products produced by Xiaoya Electric Factory, including the hair dryer and the hot hair brush, respectively. Xiaoya Factory has their core advantage is about the hair dryer skill, the assembly skill. Because Mr. Yue, he has about 19 years experience to cooperate with a big brand for hair dryer line, and he knows what they want and they know what they need inside for the technology part. So now let's cooperate with the things with Mr. Yue, and let's study about the hair dryer from his knowledge. So let's do it.
Their products are not so many. The boss told me that he focused on their hairdryer categories and gradually developed. I just started to cooperate with Mr. Yue, but they give me the feeling that no matter how much the price is, they will never lower the quality, which makes me feel better. These are only 2 assembling lines in Xiaoya at present. Due to the power limit, they have no work today, and only 1 line is in production. He has been engaged in the hairdryer technology for more than 10 years. The welding technology of electric wire is his specialty, which is also the key reason why we can produce hairdryer stably. I saw different ways of welding the electric wire in the factory. We need to purchase hairdryer with stable performance and good cost performance. Generally, Mr. Yue factory is a good choice. He has also begun to enter the high-speed motors and the brushless motors, but their product developability is still relative. Here is a place in the test room. Overall filling test equipment is not perfect, still need to improve. Let's move in, Mr. Yue.